Hey, welcome to Jerome Beef Farm and Homestead. We got us a snow day. I bet we have at least 6 inches of snow. And they shut down the center where I work. So, man, I can't believe how much it snowed overnight. When I left work yesterday, it started snowing, and it snowed all night long. There was a storm over us, and it just circled, and it's a lot of snow, as you can see. So let's just walk around and check it out. I haven't seen this much snow here in Oklahoma in years. Usually we'll just get a light dusting, but this is pretty cool. Before the snow, we had ice, and it kind of wiped out the bird net, as you can see. This side's okay. It's drooping real bad, but this side over here, it's torn down. So I'm gonna have to fix that. It's hanging clear down to the ground. So I don't know what we're gonna do there. I think we can fix it once it dries out and the ice comes off of it. So let's go. Just gonna do a walk around and shoot some video. This ought to be pretty cool. Man, check out these beehives. How much snow's on top of them. It's probably 4 inches of snow on top of these hives. So if you notice, the entrances are covered with snow. So we'll have to, if that doesn't melt off here by the end of the day, we'll need to come down here and clear those off so the bees can get ventilation through there. What that does is they'll build up moisture inside there, and they'll start getting a lot of condensation if the air doesn't, they don't have airflow in there. But they'll be okay for a little while. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, shoot some more video of this cool snow. Man, look at all that. Let's head down into the woods. See what it looks like down there. Oh, can't get through there. Uh-oh. Well, not sure how I'm going to get through here. Please find a way around. Man, there's trees down everywhere. Here. Nope. Oh man. Ah. Whew, made it. Get all that snow off of there. So here's our game camera right here, and it was last week I came down here and switched out the cards and checked them out, and this is a spot where we had deer walk through here, and we had a fox that actually walked down this log right in front of the camera, and last week we had a bobcat walk down this spot here on this tree and then continued down here on this trail and head on down that way. That's pretty cool. So the trail heads on up this way, and I tried to come down from that direction earlier and I couldn't get through. So I'm not going to go any further. I'm going to go back on up the hill right here, up by the big blackjack tree. And then we may go over to the other side and see what it looks like. So let's head up the hill. So we'll get over this log. Check out this old tree. This tree's probably over 100 years old. It's a blackjack oak, and it's probably one of the original blackjack timbers from the Cross Timbers Forest. That was here in central Oklahoma. Went on up into Kansas, over into Arkansas. If my buddy Ryan had a little dirt never hurts watching, he'd be saying, hey look, it's short sleeve shirt weather. He's up in Canada. Dude is tough. Y'all check out A Little Dirt Never Hurt. It's an awesome channel. Okay, I'm over here on the east side now. Got this east side trail, and we'll give it a shot. I don't know if we'll be able to get through there or not, but it's real pretty down in there, I'm sure, like the other side. But let's see if we can get through there. Looks like, let's say that's a coyote track right there. I don't know if that's going to come through on video. Headed off through there. It's over at my compost pile. That's where the tracks were. Let's see if we can get through down here. Oh. Here's our game camera put over here on this side. This was in front of the beehives, and the same night we got the bobcat, I caught a deer walking right through here. Okay, I think I'm going to switch to the top, so I don't want to walk through that. If I can get up this. There we go. Whew. Almost to the end. Made it. GoPro stop video. Well, folks, that's the end of that trail. Probably going to end the video here. It's pretty cool out here. It's really pretty. It's not a beekeeping video, so if you want to see some beekeeping, I'll at the end of the video I'll put a playlist there. You can go check that out if you want. But not much you can do with the bees in this type of weather. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed and give me a thumbs up. So we're gonna go get dried off. Got my nice Sony out here. I wanted to get it dried off, and shooting some video with the new GoPro 7. So this is GoPro 7 audio that you're listening to here. So hopefully it sounds good. It's a lot improved over the other GoPros. So with that, we'll say goodbye here. I'll probably have some footage here at the end you can watch if you didn't get enough of all that snow. So we'll catch you later. Y'all take care.